If you want to fix your games that are not launching on Steam, this is your video. Okay, imagine that you want to play The Binding of Isaac, but you press the play button and you will not be able to play the game. It doesn't start, so I have the solution for you. Actually, this is very simple. You can do this with an option that is on Steam actually. You have to right click, properties, and then here you have to go to installed files, and you will see that you have the option of verify these game files are installed correctly. So you press this option, and soon enough you will start verifying all the files on your game to check if there is any bug on your game, any corrupted file. It can take a little bit depending on the size of the game. In this case, the Binding of Isaac is not that big, so it will not take that much. But when it finishes checking that, you will be downloading all the files that you are missing. So that will fix any problem you get. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, and press the bell in the subscription button. Goodbye and easy way.